Oh, they're holding hands. Oh,
Oh.
quite the things to.
Oh, Hen, what are you saying,
Echo.
kiddo? Do you love your brother? Do you love your brother, Hen? Oh, darling, were you holding hands with your brother? Were you holding hands with your brother? You beautiful girl. Hold his hand, look.
Oh,
Hold his hand, he's
oh.
moving.
Where's he going?
Where's he going? Hold his hand. Hold his hand, beautiful. Hold his hand. Oh, speak to Mum. Speak to Mum. Speak to Mum. What you saying, kiddo? What you saying, kiddo? Speak to Mummy. Speak to Mummy. What you seeing? What you seeing? Where's my kiddo? Where's Echo? Where's Echo? Where's Echo? You've always got that tongue. you've always got your tongue out, Hen. Yeah, you have.